Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy Tab A7 Lite, and today I will show you how you can put this device into recovery mode. Now for this you will need a cable plugged into your computer. I have one right here for this. And let's start off by turning off our device. So pull down your notifications, extend the list, tap on the power button and power off. There we go. Now, once the device turns off, you'll want to hold power key and volume up right after you plug it in. So just to kind of, can I set it to the side? Is it just me or is it bent? Anyway, so it's not in just yet. As you can see, it's still kind of loose. So I'm gonna push it in, and then once I do, I'm gonna immediately start holding these two keys. As you can see, it's turning on. It's giving me Samsung right now, and then Galaxy, at which point you can let go of the keys and recovery mode should show up. And there we go. So I'm gonna unplug it for now. And in the recovery mode, you will need to use volume keys to navigate up and down, and power key will be used to confirm whatever is selected. Quickly going over the options that we have access to. We have reboot system now, which takes us back to Android. Reboot to bootloader, which I believe this is just fast boot mode. I am gonna check it out just to give you clarity on this one. I don't think Samsung has a bootloader. Apply updates from ADB or a SD card, wipe data or cache partition, mount system, view logs, run tests, power off, and also repair apps. So that's basically what we have here, and if you want to leave this mode, you just stick with reboot system now, confirm it with power key, but I do want to see reboot to bootloader, because I doubt it actually does what it says it does. And would you know it? It boot me into fast boot mode. Not like they couldn't add actually fast boot mode instead of bootloader, but oh well. So anyway, I'm gonna leave this mode by holding the power key till the device turns off. So I'm just gonna wait for this writing to disappear. There we go. Now it looks like the device will not turn on its own, so I'm gonna hold it again. And there we go. And as you can see, we are now back in Android. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.